how to manage privacy and communication settings on your account on Blizzard Battle.net account on PC. Hello guys, so first thing, go to blizzard.com, log into your account. Now click here on my account, click on account settings, and it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options. All what you have to do is go to this tab right here, privacy and communication. Click on it, and here you will find many options, as you can see, that you can change. All what you have to do to change is just click on this update option. For example, if you want to change something here, click on update and you can change it. You can enable or disable anything you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.